And a special appearance by Buddy Bigelow, Cat Gigolo. It's Buddy Bigelow, Cat Gigolo. He's a good little kitty. He might make special appearances while we do our project. And I'm going to show you what that project is in a bit. Good morning, friends. We're on our way to the big orange and white box store. We got a project going on today. We're gonna make some 36 by about 18-inch wooden American flags. And all I need left is white paint, the wood, painter's tape, and some hangers to hang it up on the wall. I'm making a couple today I'm making a couple. I'm gonna do 3 today. So we're on our way to Home Depot, and we're gonna get the wood, and then we'll come back and we'll start. I'm gonna do this video. I'm making this my own way. I'm taking this like a version. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube. And I'm doing this my own way. I'm doing my own twist on it. So this is the way I'm gonna do it. And I'm not gonna film the whole, I'm not gonna drag it out and do the whole film, show you how I make it. I'll do like real quick step-by-steps, like I'll tell you what I did and what I used. And I'll do it like that, because nobody really wants to watch a long video no more. So that's what we'll do. And hopefully it comes out good and you like it and it works out good. So, hey guys, sorry if there's shadows. I cut the flag at 36 inches wide. This is actually gonna be the top of the flag, and these are the backers, and these are 19 inches. Okay, thank you. All right, I used the razor blade trick to separate, put the razor blades in 14 3/4 inch over. This is gonna be the union. I'm gonna do this blue now. Union with the navy blue, Varathane water-based stain. It's tinted. This is the first coat. All right, I got the first coat of the scarlet red on. I'm gonna do the second coat, and then I'm gonna go for the white. All right, this is the second coat of the scarlet. I don't know if you can see, like in the other clips in this video, I'm actually making 2 flags. So if you're noticing things were off, a little confusing, I'm making actual 2 flags. This is a lot of work, but it's fun. Now, what I'm gonna do on the white stripe parts, I'm gonna do a new technique to me. I've never done it. It's like a whitewash. I'm gonna take semi-gloss interior paint, latex paint. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna go 1 part water, 1 part paint. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on with the foam brush, let it sit for a minute, and it's supposed to give it like a whitewash effect. So we're gonna try that. And then we'll just put it together. I'm gonna spray paint the, when I put the union together, I have that one of those Amazon stencils. I'm gonna spray paint the stars with, I got Rust-Oleum semi-gloss spray paint. I don't have the time, too tedious. I'm a very impatient person. I'm not carving stars out. It's just gonna be easier for me to paint them real quick. All right, and the fun continues. I don't know if it's a little hard to see. Sorry about the shadows, but I did like a white washout effect. I put it on with a foam brush, let it sit for a minute, then I wiped it off. Sorry about the mess. This was kind of overkill. I did a red Solo cup of water to a red Solo cup of semi-gloss paint. And this is what I used, pure white. And that, and then you just wipe it off with a rag, paper towel, after sitting for a minute. It gives you that white wash effect. Because I'm using the stars, they're gonna be semi-gloss, so hopefully this all works out. All right, let's get back to it. Here's our little helper, Buddy the kitty. His name is Buddy Bigelow, Cat Gigolo. and he's trying to help me paint. And I told him not to jump on the flag, and he didn't jump. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. All right, here it is with the whitewash. It's a little hard to see. 2 coats of scarlet and 2 coats of navy blue. Good thing I actually made 2 flags. I ran into a problem. One of my union, the blues, was over here. I don't know what the heck I was measuring. Sorry about the shadows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this over, I'm gonna glue it together, and I'm gonna screw it down using 1.25 inch sheetrock screws. Be right back. What I did was I have 4 backers and 19 inches long, and I pre-drilled the holes so they don't split with the sheetrock screws. And I'm gonna go 1.5 inches off of this, and then or 1.25 inches, and then 14 inches off that, and then I'm gonna put hangers, and I'll show you that. Now, like I said, I'm gonna glue everything in between, and I drill it. So here we go. All right, I don't know if it's gonna be glarish, but I screwed the backings on, sheetrock screws. I glued in between these, as you can see, and I forgot to glue these down. It's not a big deal. And then I added saw hook hangers. One's upside down, but that's okay. A hook's a hook. All right, I do have to do some touch-ups in the front. All right, I'm gonna flip it over. Good morning, it's Buddy Bigelow, and Buddy's my little helper. He's trying to help. Hello, YouTube. This is day 2, a week later, of finishing the American flag out of wood. We had some crappy weather here in Long Island. It's been very cold and nasty, and it's supposed to be 70 today, and it's a little windy, but I work it in between the wind. Anyway, I wound up putting a second coat, actually a third coat, on the blue because I have these weird spots. I mean, it's dry. I don't know why he did it like that. It's maybe just the way it's dry. I have no idea. I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna get the stencil which I have inside. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna lay down the stencil, tape off the red and white with paper so I don't no overspray. I'm gonna do the 2 coats of stars, and then I'm gonna clear it. And then we go over here, and this is the second flag I'm working on. And this one, I don't know if I did the same technique with the white as the first one. So what I did was I went over it again. It looked like I did, but I didn't do it. Sorry about the shadows. I wound up mixing 1 part water, 1 part paint, and then I mixed it in a cup, and then I put it on with a foam brush, and I did not wipe it off. So this actually, believe it or not, I might start doing it this way. It feels like it gives it a little bit more pop, but then again, it gives it that, I'm trying to go for like that almost distressed look. So this guy's got this guy's drawing, he's almost done. I got his backers cut out, so he's got to dry. So this is gonna be like a flip-flop between the two. So, all right, as we continue. Okay, as you can see, this is the first original flag I made. I got my Amazon stencil. I lined it up. It's perfect. Make sure your stars point up. You see, sorry about the shadows. I used blue painter's tape and some paper bags just to prevent, God forbid, overspraying. All right, I'm gonna start spraying. All right, I'm gonna do 2 coats on the stars, and then that's it. And then I'm gonna clear it, and then that's it. Okay, I pulled the template off. I did more than 3 coats. I tried to do them light, but I had a couple of bleed throughs, but it's not bad. It kind of gives it that old distressed look anyway. So I'm just gonna let this, I did a couple of touch-ups. I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna clear with a couple of coats, and we should be done. Okay, what I'm going to use for the clear is Rust-Oleum crystal clear enamel. I'm going to do a couple of coats, and that's really going to be it. Alright, I did 2 coats of clear. That's it, I'm done. I did have a couple of hiccups. Sorry about the shadows, it's a little hard to see. But overall it's pretty cool. And I'm going to show you the second flag. This one just needs to be clear coated. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm a do-it-yourselfer. I'm not Michelangelo here or Tim the Toolman Taylor there, so I do what I can. Thank you.